Hi, it's Sandy Parker, and welcome to Crafting for Almost Everyone. Today we're going to be doing a haul and a giveaway from GBFKE.com. I hope you'll stay tuned. Well, I thought I would show you some of the projects as an unboxing and some of them that I've finished. And this little butterfly, let me turn off a light or two so you can see it better lit. There, this is what it looks like. It's a butterfly. It comes with two ways to light it. You can either plug this into like your computer or some other source that has one of those, I'll show you the plug so that you know. So that's the light. It comes with this kind of plug. And it also comes with battery operated. So you have your choice. And I'd already finished it. It took me maybe an hour and a half, maybe, to do the diamond painting. It would work for any age to do because it's very simple. You just follow the dots and the colors. And I was going to see if it had on there an age on it. Probably not. Let me tell you the size. It is from the very bottom to the very top of the whole project. It's 6 inches, and the diamond painting portion is about 4.5 up and down, and about 4 o'clock. Yeah, 4 o'clock. About 4 inches across. So that is the butterfly. I thought it was really sweet. Then we have, this is a 30 by 40 floral painting, and although it always says 30 by 40, it means from this edge of the canvas to the other edge of the canvas. It's not the photo or the artwork, and the artwork is, let's see, about 13 inches tall by about 9.5 inches across. So it's a beautiful picture. Let me give you show you what the diamonds look like. These diamonds are crystal-ish. I don't know if you can see that. They're really pretty. So they're kind of a crystal type look. They're really pretty. And this is, I think it's called a partial diamond painting, but it is. And the reason it's called a partial is because where the flower is, that is diamonds, but around it, in all the black area, there are no diamonds covering that. So it makes these projects go a lot faster than a full diamond painting. So if you're a beginner and you're looking for an idea of what you should start with, I do recommend you trying the partials. And I have a few partials today. I chose them specifically so that we could look at easier, faster things to do. Let me show you the next one. This one is a lot of fun. It's Christmas inspired and it's smaller. This one is a full diamond painting, and that means, as I said, when you look at it, every one of the colors that goes to the edge has a number attached to it. So that means that it's a full diamond painting because everything is covered with diamonds. It is 9 3/4 inches across. I think it's square, but I'll make sure. Yep, it's a square one, and I think it's really cute. Let me tell you, these are round, and I also think round diamond paintings are easier to do, and I like them better than square because round ones go faster, and you don't have to worry about lining things up as much as you do when you have a square painting. Just thought I'd share that with you. Our next one is a peacock. It's very large. Well, it's not very large. It's also a partial. And this is going to be our giveaway. It is a 30 by 40. Let me tell you a little bit about the wrinkles that you have in your diamond paintings. Like, see how this one has all these creases from being folded? Here's what I do with mine. I put a towel, I lay it like this on, well, I do it on my countertop because I know I can put an iron on that, but you want to put it on something that will be heat safe. You're going to put it face down. At least I put mine face down because I don't want to do anything to the glue that's on this side. Then what I do is I put a towel over that, and then I spray the towel so it's a little bit damp but not wet, and then I iron over it. And Don't do it on a high setting because you don't want to melt your diamond painting, but that should take your creases out. And since I'm giving this away, I'm not going to iron it because I can't send it to somebody with flat like this. So it looks like this. And did I already say the measurements? I don't think I did. It is 9.5 inches by about 13.5 inches tall. It's a beauty. And oh, and I want to tell you about the diamonds. They're crystal type diamonds. I don't know, can you see that in there? Anyway, you're going to be getting everything to make your diamond painting, except for a frame, obviously. And the way you're going to win it is you're going to put a comment below the video that says, I would like to win the peacock. And you need to have that on there by April 15th, which used to be tax day, but I don't know if it is anymore. And then I will choose a winner based on the number of comments. I use a random number generator that picks the number, and then they will know from the comment number which person wins. Unfortunately, I only can send it within the United States because this is something that I'll be sending. Next up, I have this puppy. Well, let me tell you what I'm going to be doing with the ones that I'm making. I'm going to be making all of these and accumulating them throughout the year, and for Christmas or at Christmas time, I'm going to be giving them to my girlfriend who works at a retirement home, assisted living, and last year I gave a few of them and they were really tickled, so I figured I would do it again this year. So anyway, the puppy is 7.5 inches by about 9 3/4 inches tall. This one is also in the family of the crystal type diamonds, and I think this one is what I'm gonna do before I finish the video. I'll put the finished doggy up so you can see what he looks like. So that is the finished puppy. He didn't take very long to do because he is a partial, and that means that he has a lot of areas that don't have diamonds in him, and then he also has big gaps between the rows, which makes it even that much faster. So he's a lot of fun to do, and it only took me maybe 2 hours maybe to do that. And last but not least is our gnome that's standing by lantern. So cute. This is a full diamond, so everything is got round diamonds on it, and I think he's so cute. And this is actually a gift for a family member, and that is the extent of our diamond paintings. Don't forget, I'm going to be giving away the lovely peacock, and it's going to be, the drawing is going to be on April 15th. All you need to do is below the video in the comment section, just write, I would like to win the peacock. So I hope that you enjoyed this and that you'll sign up to win the peacock. And if you've never done a diamond painting, I find it very relaxing, and I have to say it's one of those crafts that doesn't require a lot of thought process. And I would be happy to explain it to you if you want how to do it, how to do a diamond painting the easiest way possible. So I really thank the nice people at GBFKE for sending me these things. And I hope you enjoyed this, that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and please tell your friends about me on social media because you know I love that. And thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.